Hakas ngi ning kong jong katayo, kasipho tarik ujeliw, u MLA jong kagambegre, usaleng sangma, ula i no kam na kajinglong MLA jong u, na katay ka constituency, hadien ba ula siya ajiet kum u MP jong katura constituency, ha u Commissioner and Secretary jong ka Assembly, Ushri Andrew Simon. Katay ka jing i no kam jong u, kaday haswa ba unbam smay kum u MP jong katura constituency. Habakren bakila patay kubor, nakaliang jong usaleng, ulaong baka jing job jong u, kaday na marka jing it bat shania, nakipad ba jong katura constituency. Nakaliang jong u, ulakan tait ruban ong baka jing job jong u, na marka day ka jing yo jing kersyan na kinong yalam ka TMC, bat naka jing ya trailang ka BJP bat ka NPP. Henry ulaong, baka jing job na marka jing kersyan kipad ba, bat nakaliang jong u, ula ay kublay kerpangi kipad ba jong katura constituency.
I told you, Singapore supported me.
Voters in favor.
Voters shifted.
Voters, I'm telling you. Voters, and then definitely it's the, it's the divine intervention. I'm telling you, it's the God Himself who has blessed me right now.
Yes.
Trinamal, forget the Trinamal Congress and them.
No, but
What the name?
BJP also they say like
I'm talking about certain people. Oh yes, what BJP?
even BJP.
Anybody can speak anything, brother. Just because anybody speaks everything doesn't mean that we are not accepting. Nobody has supported us, brother. Only people and the Lord Himself.
Okay, another factor, BJP aligning with NPP, that has one way indirectly helping.
Which one?
BJP aligning with...
No. It's the people only. I don't want to give it to any party, any credit to any party. It's the people. It's the people. And the church leaders and the people.
So what will be your contribution to Garo Hills at the center?
Whatever in my strength, I will diligently and purely deliver everything, whatever power will be given to me, 100% to my people and to protect my religion. They haven't given the date yet.
How do you see the India alliance? Because so many parties coming together.
We are showing the true color of democracy, and then we are showing the true spirit of democracy. So we are sticking together. I think we will not be, we will not be tempted by any offer given by the BJP or NDA. I don't think that this will be the first time for me to be sitting in the opposition. I was in the opposition for whole 5 years, remember? Okay, as an independent. And that was a lonely independent, okay? This time, I've got a friends in the independence, which we have, barely a few, a few margins to be in the oppositions. Last time I was alone. This time we are not alone. We are a team. So I don't see that there will be a much of a problem.
That is what's just...
So I am me, Saleng, okay? I'm not Rakham. So I'm totally different. My character, Rakham's character, their conscience, my conscience is totally different from. So I'm not Rakham. So I have performed even during the opposition also. I will perform tomorrow. So at least I will not stay barren like that.
When are you going to
I'm
Delhi?
not scared even to stay in the opposition. They are scared.
When are you going to Delhi?
Who are they? Can you say the
The one who's spoken about me, about the opposition and the uselessness about being in the opposition. I think you might have only heard about few people who have spoken about it, so you can coin them.
So in 2008,
When are you
Spoken
going?
about one, so others on the three. ILP was the state subject, but after 2020, 2016-17, I think so, it has become the central subject. So definitely we will be taking the discussions with my leaders from the AICC and then all the legislative members in Delhi. That way, after that only I can give you the answer.
So repeating the question of brother, this is your victory is a unique victory. So what can you attribute to the success? You said people, but what way you campaign?
So there was no such agenda. It was the truth that we have spoken. For example, now we talk about the Manipur issues, we talk about the minority issues, we talk about no issues happening in and around. And then moreover, the negligence of the state government and the local, the MP then. That's what we have just tried to flush out and then speak the truth. We didn't make any promises or make an agenda, but the thing is that we made promises that definitely we will be looking after how they try to bulldoze our Christian community and then all the minorities and all other sections of the people, not only within the state, outside the state also, and then outside within the country. I made a legacy of people only, not the family. So my whoever backed me is from the Garo, so they are my family. So my family backed me, of course.
But in politics, there's no permanent friends, no permanent enemies.
You might say that one, but I don't know. I don't know what's the meaning of politics. When you try to analyze what is politics, for example, I don't know who has made this. What is politics? Politics is a state affair. To look after the people, to look after the the society. But I don't know. When you're saying politics, that means lying and then cheating. It's not like that to me. So my politics is totally different. My politics is for the people. So those cheaters, those liars, and then those scammers will not be part of us. So we will try to see whatever we can do. Now, for example, as you were saying, whether Dr. Mukul will come back or not. For example, we might not like him to come back. To be frank enough, we might not like Jenny to come back also. For example, to the Congress. Let them stay where they are. Simple as that.
There's no room for them.
I don't think so. If they come through me, I will not give. They are God-fearing people. They are not identified as BJP, NPP or Congress. They are public, they are peace-loving people. So that's the reason why they have chosen me to do something to make some differences. Have you seen any scar in there like NPP, TMC or Congress? Nobody is TMC, nobody is Congress, nobody is NPP, nobody is such like that. But the thing is that since they have been given such some designations in certain area, that's why they choose to be that particular party. But nobody is NPP, nobody is Congress, nobody is nobody is TMC. They are all public. They need to make a change. They needed to make a change for their own family, for their own people, and for the society as a whole. So that's the reason why I think they have chosen me, not as a Congress, but they've chosen me for the change. So I'll definitely try to deliver whatever task it will be before me. Nature, since I've got elected for the Lok Sabha, I'll definitely have to resign within 14 days. So before swearing in, I think it's better to resign. And then moreover, the stipulated time for the resignations after the being elected as a Lok Sabha, I have to do it before the 40 days. So I'm doing it now itself.
So the
What are the
Ambedkar
issues,
is
major issues?
We have already forwarded lots of issues, especially from the state. Now, you might have seen that we have taken up a resolutions of language that is to be put into, considerations in the HCDO. That is Garo language and the Khasi language. Okay, and another, the one which we have taken the resolutions on the floor of the House is that ILP, Inner Line Permit. We will try. I'm not saying that we will get it. Right now, the advantage is that somewhat the democracy is safe because the BJP, they have the NDA, they have not got the BJP, they haven't got the majority. That's why there is a chances, and then moreover they cannot bulldoze anymore. Lots of issues pertaining to unemployment, okay, and pertaining to education, especially our state, pertaining to corruption. 2, 3, 4 like that, and then moreover language barrier across the state. And then the ILP, of course, and then moreover the drugs within our state. In these 2-3 years, I think the drugs has boomed within our state. So that needed to be contained seriously to look into this matter. CM himself has talked about the religious during the election. Have you not seen that one? That they will try to do away. You have already seen about how Assam CM has already done away with all those religious areas. Okay, Now, why to talk much about it? Because I think he's becoming a little bit of mentally disorder. He himself has talked. He himself has talked about the religion during the election campaign, and before that also he has done away with lots of Muslim communities. You have seen it openly. So why he is blaming the religion right now? He should not have blamed it. I think that's why I'm telling you he might be having some mental disorder regarding this one.